Hi, my name is Rebecca Penrose, and I'm the instructor of this course, ADM5100. I've been teaching this class for probably 20 years. I used to be Rebecca Hewitt until a couple of years ago and got married and changed my name, but we've pretty much got this down to a science now. I was teaching it last in Blackboard, and now as a campus, CSUB is trying out Canvas, and I think you're going to find that it is a lot better. I'm really liking Canvas better. It's much more popular with other universities as well, so hopefully you're familiar with it. And if you're not, then I hope you'll jump in and click around, and hopefully this video helps you do that. This is a homepage, and this is an email address that I've set up specifically for this class. It's adm5100@mail.com, just plain mail.com, not Hotmail or Gmail. And that would keep, if you will use that one for this, your correspondence for this class, it will keep that separate from my other email that goes to rpenrose@csub.edu. So you're welcome to use my main email address, but I am kind of responsible for some programs right now on campus that are very email heavy, and I don't want my students' emails to be buried. So that's why that is there. I also am providing my cell phone number. You can call me or text me anytime if you need clarification or you just have a question or something. I'm more than happy to take your calls or your text messages. I have a traditionally formatted syllabus linked here. So if you were to click on that, it'll open a PDF and it looks like a typical syllabus, the contact information and the course descriptions from the catalog. But also it breaks down the requirements a little bit and policies. We'll be using turnitin.com in this class. It is basically an online database. If you're not familiar with it, it has everything that it can match against is in there. So it's looking for matches. It's when you submit an assignment, it's looking to see if anything in your assignment matches anything in its database. And that'll keep you from either regurgitating other people's work, other students who've submitted their work to Turnitin as well. But it also helps us keep track of everything and helps us keep from cutting and pasting or anything like that. So read my information about that. And this breakdown of the assignments and those deadlines are color-coded because of where assignments need to be submitted. And then also they're in a table format too. I don't know how many visual learners I have, but I like to see things visually. Helps my eye digest and my brain digest the information that I'm looking at. There's some more policies here, but that's linked up there. Under syllabus, when Canvas is thinking about syllabus, it's just really thinking about the dates. And so it's putting all of the assignments in chronological order. And through each of these are each linked to the directions for those assignments. There are multiple ways to reach the information you need in Canvas. You can't get lost, in other words, and it's a pretty nice thing. The modules here, that tab, also a whole series of links. The beginning part are mostly those sections of the syllabus that I just pulled up. So it's broken down. That was our home page. And then each page you could actually use the next button. This is the student view I've clicked into. So you can see the required textbooks that I've already emailed you about. Hopefully you're getting my email so far when I've mass emailed everyone. And some resources and our grading rubrics and how we grade at this level, stuff like that. So that's the first part of this module. And then the next modules are separated by weeks. So under each week, the week one overview is going to essentially be this video. And then I want you to register for Turnitin, which I discussed earlier. And then there are assignments and there are discussions for each week. There are at least 2 things, maybe 3 things in a week. And each of these are links as well. So the Habits of Mind assignment, it will describe for you what you're supposed to do. Attach any, up in there will be linked anything that you need, any materials that you need above and beyond the textbooks that I've assigned. And it'll tell you what you need to write and how you're going to submit it. And then you'll follow those directions. Very, very obvious. And then Under there, if it says discussion, when you click on that, it'll open this discussion page. And actually, almost all of them have some sort of video or multimedia that I'm asking you to respond to, and then you will post your own reply. And you can also reply to other students, but the reply that you initially do is what gives you those points. And then each module, each week is set up that same way. Their assignments, that's a quiz, their assignments, their discussions, there are 5 total discussions. If you look at them this way, they're all the assignments all put together. The discussions just pulls out those 5 discussions. As you need them, I'll make them available to you. And when we are no longer needing them, I will close them. And the assignments as well, right now I have it set so that you can see all of those assignments, but I will close some of them and open them as we get to them. So I don't want us to be discussing or anybody posting to discussions that we're just not ready for yet. Just trust me on this. Everything will come available as you need it. When you click on grades, you'll be able to see what your scores are. What the total scores are. The whole course is made up of 1,000 points, and that's for my own simplicity of grading. So 900 to 1,000 total points in this class would be an A range grade. And then 800 to 899 points would be a B range grade. 700 to 799 would be a C range grade, and you get the picture. So under grades, you'll be able to keep track of how many you have, and you can do a what if. I'm not seeing that link here, but it's an option for you to put in a score, and then if you were to get those grades, what you would get. And then under people, you'll see everybody who's in this class, and there are ways that you can talk to them or communicate with other people through the inbox. I hope this makes sense to you. We probably won't be grouping up or doing anything like that, but the more that you participate in discussions and interact with each other, the more you'll get out of it. If you have any questions at this point, please let me know. If anything is inconsistent, if you see inconsistent dates or deadlines with the syllabus as well, please bring them to my attention. You will never hurt my feelings. I can own my mistakes. I'm a human being, and occasionally the wires get crossed or something happens, and I can fix it right away if you'll bring it to my attention. So I'm really looking forward to working with you, and I really love this class. It goes very, very fast. You stay up on the deadlines, I'll stay up on the grading, and we will finish in 7 weeks, and it will be awesome, and you'll move on to the next one. So let me know if you have any questions, and otherwise I'll be looking forward to our interaction throughout the course. Thank you.